In tarot, the Magician upright predicts a new beginning in whatever matter is discussed during the reading, be it work or relationships. The timing with this card is pretty quick, announcing something new coming shortly, very soon, as the Magician is commonly associated with Mercury, the planet of speed. As seen on the picture, the Magician is a person who is master of their own destiny. They seem to possess the intelligence, skills, and resources to achieve whatever is on their mind. This card, therefore, invites the person you are reading for to initiate, undertake, and move forward with their plans and projects, as they are likely to have all the means and skills necessary to launch something. The person needs to trust in themselves and tackle their ambitions confidently, for they already have the power, skill, focus, and resourcefulness to succeed. This is especially auspicious for any creative projects, entrepreneurship, or any endeavor that involves being independent and going solo, like becoming your own boss. On a spiritual level, this card indicates someone who has truly mastered occult wisdom and knowledge, to the point that they can now use energy to their own advantage to control their environment, for better or worse, like a real alchemist. When the Magician comes out reversed, it could refer to a person who knows what they want and works behind the scenes in a secretive, low-key way to get it. No one knows their true intentions. They are likely obsessed with enhancing their power through manipulation, secrecy, or even sorcery. Or it could just mean that the person for whom you read is lacking skills or knowledge in whatever they are trying to achieve. They might be planning poorly, or their talents are hidden or latent and need to be brought to the surface to blossom. It could also indicate lack of confidence, fear of taking initiative due to stress, anxiety, or nervousness. Depending on the context, it could mean that a sick game of underhanded competition is happening, probably for power, in a situation or in a relationship. Check the other cards to see if the person you read for needs to be warned against another person who may be doing everything in their power to control them without letting it show. Best case scenario, this is a person who is quick to shift their point of view or even loyalty, pointing to a high potential for hypocrisy or even betrayal. Fun fact, 2026 will be a year number 1, according to numerology, which is associated with the Magician Tarot card, since it bears the same number. This marks the beginning of a new cycle of 9 years. The number 1 year is said to be auspicious for daring to start new things and innovating, being audacious, and even a pioneer. Take initiatives, project yourself on the long term. Shed your old skin, lose every dead weight that has been weighing you down for the last 9 years to start anew. Make decisions, trailblaze forward, start something new. Don't expect anything to come to fruition within the year, though, as this is a time for starting things and pushing forward, not completing them. Get rid of the weeds and plant fresh seeds that will have the next 9 years to grow and bloom into a new you.